everybody, so today I'll be showing you how to make mandala. A mandala, which is a Sanskrit word for circle or discoid objects, is a geometric design that holds a great deal of symbolism in Hindu and Buddhist cultures. While extraordinary as a sandalwood work of art, mandalas hold symbolic and meditative meaning beyond their vibrant. Now, let's see how do we make mandala. I have prepared one of my mandala arts for you to view it. Now, I am going to use a flat paintbrush of size 12 to paint the surface black. For this base, you can use a cardboard or a box board. You can also use a shoe box or some paper plates. To paint the surface black, I'll be using this acrylic paint. For other designs, I'll be using these different colors of paints. I am having yellow, blue, white and orange. I am also having a lemon yellow color and a golden color with me. Then I'll be using my tools for mandala. That is, I'll be using some of the matchsticks with me. You can see. Then I'll be using some earbuds for the design. I'll be using a waste pencil which is not in use for me anymore. Then I'll be using a waste pen which is not in use for me anymore. Then I'll be using a pencil, a used pencil. Then I'll be using a scale to measure the measurements. The most important thing is to use a tissue paper to clean the surface after we complete our work. First, we need to make a square. Okay. So now I'll be first painting my base with acrylic black color with the help of a flat 12 size paintbrush. So let's paint it first. I'll be taking the black color and I'll start painting it. So now that I have painted the surface black completely, okay, so now I'll be making my design. Make my work easier, I'll be putting these colors in the palette which I'm having over here right now. Okay, so if you don't have a palette, you can also use a plate to keep the colors. This would make your work easier. So now I'm putting the colors. Start making the designs on my blank base. Okay, so for this I'll be first taking an unused pen. Okay, and I'll be dipping my pen into yellow color, yellow acrylic paint. Okay, after I dip my pen, I'll be now placing my pen in the center so that I get a yellow center over here. Okay, so now that I've used this, I'll be now wiping my pen in the tissue paper so that I don't mix all the colors together and make a mess. Okay, so now that you can see that I have made a center point with yellow. Okay, So now I'll be taking a matchstick and I'll be dipping this matchstick, the top point of this matchstick, in white color, and I'll be making running dots. Running dots would be formed like this. While making running dots, you don't need to dip your matchstick again and again in the white color. Okay, once you dip it, you have to make the half semicircle. Okay, and then you need to again dip it, and then you'll be making the next half of the semicircle. So you'll be doing it something like this. Okay, and then you'll be then a circle would be formed, a design would be formed over here. Okay, so now I'll be using a earbud. Okay, I'll be using this earbud and I'll be dipping this into white color. Now I'll be forming running dots only over here. Okay, over here you can dip it more than one time also, because earbuds, they faint after you use it 2 or 3 times. Okay, so you can dip it more than 2 times also. So now that I've formed a circle over here, okay, so now I'll be dipping my pen into blue color, and I'll be making circles over here. So after dipping it, I'll be using a matchstick. Okay, I'll be dipping this matchstick into white color, and then I'll be making running dots around it. I'll be doing this same pattern on the rest of the circles also. Now that I've completed making all the circles, I'll be making a new circle over here. I'll be taking my pencil, I'll be dipping it into orange color, and I'll be putting it over here, and I'll be making a circle around it. Okay, so now that I have made circle all over my design, okay, so I'll be taking a matchstick and I'll be dipping it into yellow color. With the help of this yellow color, okay, I'll be making dots on this line that is formed over here. If you wish, you can form running dots, but I am making normal dots over here. Now that I've made dots over here on these lines, I'll be making dots with blue color with the help of this earbud over here on the leftover surface, means on the leftover lines over here. You can see these lines over here. There are 4 lines over here. So we'll be making dots over here with the help of blue color. Now that I've made dots over here, I'll be making some dots over here also with the help of white color. Okay, and I'll be making these dots with the help of this pen. Okay, with the help of the back side of this pen. So now that I have made dots all over here, okay, and now I'll be making some orange dots, although also with the help of this matchstick. I'll be making 2 dots on the side of these yellow lines and also on the side of these blue lines. So now we have completed making a mandala art. Okay, so to make the mandala art you can also use any other tools which are available at your house. I had pencils, earbuds and matchsticks available with me, so I used them. And if you are having toothpicks you can use toothpicks also. You have If you are having refills, waste refills, then you can use those waste refills also. Okay, and for the base you can also use shoe boxes, paper plates, box boards and cardboards. Okay, I have used minimum colors, but you can use more than these colors also. Thank you for watching. Do like, share and subscribe my channel and also comment on my videos. Thank you.